What's up guys? Let's take a look at Notification Center in OS X Mountain Lion. Alright, so before I show you Notification Center, we'll want to go into System Prefs and have a look at the System Prefs pane for notifications under Personal. So if we click here, you get a little bit of text here that says Notification Center shows your alerts in the upper right of your screen without interrupting what you're doing. So I guess that's really one of the main purposes of Notification Center. You still want to be notified, you still want to be given information whenever an app has to alert you about something, but if you can't respond to the notification straight away, it should just slide away into the screen and you can access Notification Center to view the notification later. So if you see here, we have this section here called In Notification Center. So the first one here is the share button, and right now that only works with Twitter if you log into Twitter on your Mac. So you see here we've got this option to show the share button in Notification Center, and then you see almost like all the other Apple apps are here. So if I'll just use Calendar as an example. Now this does show you the three types of notifications that Notification Center can give you. The first one that's being selected here is called an alert. What that means is you'll see a little notification come up in the top right of the screen, and it'll have two buttons, either snooze or close. And basically if you click on close, then it'll slide the notification away and it won't remind you about it. But if you click on snooze, it'll set a timer for some amount of time that I can't really remember. And then after that time has passed, it'll open up the notification again as an alert and ask you what to do next. If we have banner, when the time for the notification comes for like a calendar alert or something, it'll open up the little banner in the top right again. It'll stay there on screen for a few seconds and then it'll just slide away, and then you can open it up in Notification Center if you didn't see it as a banner. And as you know, none explains the word, it just won't notify you. And you can see here we've got three checkboxes. We've got Show in Notification Center, how many recent items you want. The default number is 5, so if you have more than 5 items that have sent notifications, not all 5 will display in Notification Center. And then we've got this option here called Badge App Icon. As you can see here on the App Store app, I've got a badge there, meaning that I've got 2 updates waiting for me that Notification Center has reminded me about before. So that's basically what it means when it says Badge App Icon. And then play sound when receiving notifications. Just like on an iOS device, it'll make a little noise whenever you have a notification, and that's pretty useful. So as you can see here, there's also a Not in Notification Center option, and that's this app called Magic Prefs that I use to customize my Magic Mouse options. And you know, I can set it to show within Notification Center, but I turned it off because it gets annoying after a while, especially with an app like Magic Prefs. Alright, so having said all of that and gone through all the settings for Notification Center, let's actually try it out, or open it up. So as you can see here, this is Notification Center. It just opens up from the side of the screen. It doesn't take a lot of screen real estate, which is very nice. So as you can see here, the Calendar app is giving me a notification for today for a certain event at a certain time. So that's how calendar notifications work, and that's pretty much how most other notifications work. So if I click on this, it'll open up the Calendar app, as you can see here. And if I scroll down, you can see here it's opened up the thing for the event that it was notifying me about. So if we open up Notification Center again, you can see here as well that there is a click to tweet button. So I can, you know, send out a tweet, you know, write whatever I want within the 140 character limit. There's an option to add a location here. I'm not going to do that. And then you can hit on cancel or send to either cancel the tweet or send it. Now note that when iOS 6 launches, there should be an accompanying update for OS X Mountain Lion, which should also give you a button to share to Facebook as well, because they are bringing Facebook integration into OS X Mountain Lion and iOS 6 at the same time. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.